Yo, what's up? Stay awake. And on the count of 3, you will awake, relaxed, and refreshed. And refreshed.
Fart right now.
And on the count of 3, you will awake, relax. You can see there's plenty of light, plenty of natural sunlight. So what do you think? There's plenty of natural sunlight. Take as much time as you want.
I'll take a picture of my knee.
Oh, batteries are going dead. We're losing battery power, guys. That's the real estate. Take as much time as you want. But there's no rush. I'll wait in the kitchen.
Marcia's Law, number 95.
This afternoon.
What?
I have to show this house to 3 more people just this afternoon alone. So you remind you, you useless.